Hi guys, let's take a look at how to enter values in a cell or range of cells in Microsoft Excel. Now, to enter value in a cell, you first of all select the cell. When you select a cell, then you type in the value you want to enter. For example, you want to enter the value Coca-Cola. Press enter, and that's it. Now notice that when you press enter, the next cell below the cell is selected. But if you press, okay, let's just enter another value here. We enter the value here, sprite. Instead of pressing enter this time, we press the tab key. Okay, so when you press enter, it goes down. When you press the tab key, it goes to the right. Now if you want to press move up, for example, after here I want to move up, you press shift and enter. Okay, shift enter. Now if you want to go backward, you press shift and tab. So that's it. You can use this to navigate. So once you enter a value, you press enter. Or if you don't want to press enter, let's say for example we want to enter Aquafina here. Okay, we don't want to press enter. We just select another cell outside of that cell, and the value is already there in the cell. That's how to do it. Now another way we can enter values in a cell is by use of the autofill handle. The autofill handle, what it does is to identify a pattern either in a cell or group of cells, and to extend that pattern to other cells. Now if you look at the bottom right corner of these selected cells, you see a box there, you see a square there. So you place your cursor on that square, it will turn to a bold plus sign, then left click and drag down. Okay, all we just have now is, instead of writing the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and etc., we just copied the pattern. Now the pattern here is that the one is added to the previous number to get the next one. So the autofill handle helps us to do that easily. Okay, another way to enter value in a cell is by use of copy and paste function. Now what's the copy and paste? Copy and paste means to copy the value in a particular cell and to paste it in another cell. Let's say for example for this Coca-Cola, the quantity that was bought was 5. We select the cell, then we can use Ctrl+C as a short key, then place on Coca-Cola, then Ctrl+V short key to paste it. That is it. Now if you don't want to do that, you can also copy and paste from the clipboard group of the home tab. So let's use that. Place okay, let's say for sprite the quantity was 25, so we just select the 25 here. They said I has 25, so come here and say copy. Okay, so select sprite and click on paste. Are we pasting it? Okay, that is it. So we've done that. Now let's say for this Aquafina, or want to copy 2, just say Ctrl+C. Short keys are quite faster and easier to use. Okay, just say Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Now Ctrl+C is to press the Control button on the keyboard and simultaneously press the Control button and C simultaneously. That's Ctrl+C. And for Ctrl+V, you press the Control button and V simultaneously. It gives you the value. Now another way to enter value in a cell is by dragging and dropping. Okay, when you drag and drop, you carry the value in a cell and drop it in another cell. How do we do that? Let's say we want to drag this value here, 5,000. Just once you see this sign, that's the sign for, look at the cursor, pay attention to the cursor. The cursor sign has changed to this. Once it changes to this sign, you drag and drop. Okay, how do you do that? You left click, you left click, drag it to wherever you want it to be, then release. Okay, let's drag another one. You select this. Once the cursor changes to this sign, you left click, and drag. Once you left click, you move your cursor. As you're moving your cursor, it is moving, as you can see on the screen. Let's say we want to drag it, drop it here. You release the left click, and that's it. Let's drag another one. Select this, left click, and move your cursor while still holding the left click. Move your cursor, then release. That's it.